Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Let's make some sourdough pizza dough. But it won't be as sour as you think, because we're adding sugar. But first, let's make her a laker. Woo! Fuck yeah! Drink up, buttercup. Alright, so what we got going on today? We're doing the sourdough pizza dough video. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. We'll be using 1 cup of flour. This is a scooped cup, not a weighed cup. There is a difference. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. You do not need this. I like this. It'll work just fine without it. And it'll be more sour. But I like it. We're using 2 cups of sourdough starter. Fed sourdough starter. Nice bubbles in there, eh? This is almost 2 cups. Don't worry, I got another jar going over there. And we're going to use about a tablespoon of olive oil. Good old olive oil. That's it. So what I'm going to do is bring a bowl over here, wherever the fuck I put it, because I just failed to remember where the fuck I put it. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Alright. I'm kind of fucking wrecked. That's alright. So yeah. 2 cups of that. Measured. We're not going to do weight. Just measured cups. Here you go. There's a fuck. There's our cup. And we'll be back. We get her in the bowl. And we're doing this in a stand mixer. If you want to do it, mix it by hand, go right the fuck ahead. I'm too fucking wrecked and lazy to do that shit. Cheers, big ears. RTFO mofos. Woo! I'll be back. Here, take another look just before I pour it out. Oh, it smells so fucking beautiful. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'll fill this up twice. You don't need to watch it, do you? Do you? Maybe you do. I don't know. It's hot. Ding. There you go, man. Look at that. Fuck yeah. Bitchy! And twitchy! Come on out. Bitch nuts. Okay, there's 1 cup. This is our first cup of fed sourdough starter. Get in there, bitchy! Get a spatula. Spatula that shit out. Oh, you called your food shit. Yep. It's good shit. Okay, you get the idea. I'll get another fucking, got the other jar right there. We get another cup. Drop. Man, this is sticky shit. There you go, bitch nuts. Okay. I'll be back. And, uh-oh. Spillage. Cheers, big ears. RTFO. Alright, bitches, here's cup number 2. This is some sticky fucking shit, I tell you that. Okay, you get the idea. So we got 2 cups of fed sourdough starter. I'll scrape that out. Don't need to wash that. Go have yourself a fucking chug-a-lug, dude bug. RTFO. I'll be back. Oh fuck, I almost fell down. I'm fucking wrecked. Alright bitches. Here you go. Here's 2 cups of starter. We're gonna put in a teaspoon of salt. Sea salt. This is sea salt. Where is that? There it is. Teaspoon. There you go. That would be you. Teaspoon of salt. Sea salt. I'm putting in a teaspoon of sugar. You do not need this. I like this. I'm doing this for me, not for you. Good enough. Boom. Away with you. Go away. Fucking bitch turd. Well, after that much portioning, it's time for a zippy. Cheers, big ears. 1 cup, scooped cup, not measured, or weighed, flour, and this is all-purpose flour. Boom, away with you. We probably will need to add a little more flour, not much, but we'll see, and about a tablespoon of olive oil. There you go. Thank you, Earl. The Earl of Olive. And now we mix it. Probably 5 or 6 minutes in the stand mixer. I wasn't going to show you the mixing, but I'll bring the fucking mixer over here and we'll mix this. Alright, give me a minute. RTFO mofos. Alright, bitches. Lock her down and rock and roll. There. Isn't that exciting? Don't you love to watch mixing? I think, you know, I just wanted to skip this part, but people say, well, we want to see it get mixed. I say, you can do this by hand if you want. That'd be, you know, too much work. I ain't doing it. Let's see what's happening here. Are we going to need to add flour, or possibly we might need to add a little bit of water, but I doubt it. Usually it doesn't happen that way because this is pretty sticky dough. So let this go around. Maybe, I don't know. Well, just let her go for a bit. I think we're pretty good. It's coming together nicely. We'll mix this for about 5 or 6 minutes. I think we're going to be good. This is on the lowest setting. Yeah, no, we're good. Maybe we need to drink a beer. Cheers, big ears. So I'll let this go for 5 or 6 minutes and then we'll be back. RTFO mofos. While our dough is being mixed, we will feed the starter. So we have equal parts of water and flour. Boom. In you go. In you go. Give her a mixeroo. Look at that. It's mixing and I'm mixing. Woo! It's a mixer. Oh, why am I doing sourdough? Okay. Because really, this is more of a pain in the fucking balls than you ever want to deal with. But it was requested. Someone said, oh, I want to see you do sourdough. I want to see you do it drunk. Well, sourdough bread, like true sourdough bread, nah, like it's just too much fucking with if you're drunk and high like I am. This is good, but sourdough discard, we'll actually be doing a video tomorrow morning with some discard. Okay, there you go, bitches. Done. And away we go. Boom. There you go. Done. Away with you. That's all you gotta do. All right, this dough looks pretty done to me. Gotta wipe that off. Get a fucking paper towel here. Get any dampness out of here. That looks done. It's been about 6 minutes. Let's take a look. A looky-loo. Oh, that's nice. That's fucking beautiful. Oh yeah. We're good. We're good to go. That's fucking nice. That really is nice. That's, yeah. Alright. Woo! I don't have a beer. This is empty. Cheers, big ears. Alright, bitches. Got a new beer. This time it's a Carling. The liquors are all done. We'll get uncanny with the Canadian Carling. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Oh, that's good. Alright. So, like I said, this is a sticky dough. We have a bit of flour here if you want to put down some flour, but I think we'll be alright. Stretch her out a bit. If you want to use a bench scraper, go ahead. I'm just going to make a dough ball and put it back in the bowl. Put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom there and wipe it all around and cover the dough with that. We're going to use our old bitch Pamela today. That's very nice. Very sticky dough. But it's beautiful. Fuck yeah. Okay. I have Pamela over here. What I forgot to get out though was the lousy fucking plastic. I was just going to use a plate to cover the top of the bowl, but I'll use some cling film. It's nice dough. It's nice. Don't stretch it like that. Stretch it like that. However you want. Okay. After that much playing with dough, it's time for a zippy. Cheers, big ears. Let me get the cling film and the pan. Oh, there's Pamela. We got Pamela. Bowl. We're just going to use the same bowl. Washed it out. Okay. I have to move the camera to get the cling film. Give me a second. There we go. Glad. All right. In we go. Give it a spritz-a-roo. Good enough. Bye-bye, Pamela. Plastic. Now, why am I showing you the plastic? Just to give you one of those. If you want to cook your pizza tomorrow and put it in the fridge overnight, this dough, and take it out in the morning and let it sit on the counter for at least 6 hours. If you want to make your pie today, I would recommend at least 3 to 4 hours. Let it sit on the counter. You don't want to do anything unless it's like kind of doubled in size there. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention. For this, I'm using all-purpose flour, but unbleached. For my normal pizza dough, it doesn't matter if you use bleached flour or not. But this is unbleached. All right, so there you go. Looks like that. And yeah, I'm making a pie later tonight, so this is going to be on the counter for at least 6 hours. Because I won't be eating till late. All right, bitches. That's my sourdough pizza dough video. Well, maybe I'll come back after it's risen, show you what it looks like. Sometimes it doesn't rise very much, almost double. Sometimes it's almost like the my usual pizza dough recipe that uses yeast. And there you go. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Rock the fuck on. AMF, stay off the pipe. Woo.